Alright guys, thank you for tuning into the video. Right now I have my baby girl, little mama right here. She right here with me. She wanted to get in the video, so I had to bring her into the video, man. So anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button for here, because usually I don't show her, alright? Hit the like button for that. And guess what we're doing today? As you can see, we're in the hallway, and I got to do an accent wall. And that's what we're going to do. My wife wanted me to do an accent wall, so I'm going to do it. Here's a couple pictures of accent walls. You can look here, here, here. Probably don't see me now, but hey, you see the accent walls, right? That's what you're seeing. Right now, we're going to probably do one of these. I don't know. We're going to do one of them, and make sure you tune in and just watch. We're about to get it started, and let's go. All right, so here is the wall that we're about to be doing, right? Okay. So I went ahead and measured this wall earlier. This wall, the length is 18 foot by 3 inches or 18 foot 3 inches and 1/4, 18 foot 3 1/4 inch. That's what it is, right? So I went ahead and measured. I got boards right here, and these boards are 8 foot long. And I went ahead and I got 3 boards. I want to make sure they're, even. All right, so I know the boards are going to be longer than what I need, but you know what? It's always to measure longer than what you need than to cut it too short, because then what? You can't do what you need to do. So I want to make sure they're not cut too short. So if I need to cut more, then I will cut more. And I know I'm going to have to cut more, but I'll measure 74 inches each board, and I'm going to go ahead and do the cut. All right, so right here we have a 1x3 board, and we have a circular saw right here. So we're going to go ahead and cut. Make sure that's off before we put my thing in here. We got 6 boards that we need to cut to make our border. Usually I would have this on a bench or something, or the back of my truck, but it turned night real quick, so we don't have that. But we have the circular saw. This board's going to measure, we're going to cut it 74 inches, and we're going to go ahead and do that. Make sure that laser is on there. All right, guys, so I cut the board. I cut the 3 boards, and the one, I had to cut one shorter, right? So the 2 on the side are 74 inches. The one in the middle, I don't even know how short, but I ended up having to cut it. And right now we're just building the frame of the wall. So I want the boards on the top, the outline, the bottom, the top, and the sides. That's what we're doing right now. So these boards all fit. I put them up here. It's a puzzle. Alright, so boom. Perfect fit, and it's tight. Alright, so now I'm just gonna get the bread and butter and nail them to the wall. Try the right side. I want the basically double. Put it out. See, it's no one. And we'll load it. All right, so that's that. It's just the middle board has a bow. All right, looks good. I'm gonna go and nail each one of these boards approximately, I want to say about every 6 inches. So I'm gonna put a nail in the board. All right, guys, I'm about to do this thing. All right, so I got the border up, right? The border is up. Got our perfect picture frame for our art, and we're about to go ahead and now tape everything up, do our designs. We got a cock around the border, but we're also gonna put our design up. All right, so today is a paint day. I'm gonna go with 2 different paints. This is Cityscape Gray, and this one is Grizzly Gray. I'm gonna use the satin on the wall and semi-gloss on the board. So we'll see how it turns out. All right, so basically I just painted around the edges so it's easier to paint, and y'all get the gist, right? I'll turn it back on when we start putting our pattern up. As y'all can see, paint is done. Got the boards up. I went ahead and nailed one board up. Trying to get our pattern good. And yeah. So I did 45-degree angles on these boards. These are 1x3s. This is a 1x2, and top boards, the borders are 1x3s. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Trying to make our pattern somehow. Hey, what happened to that thing? That thing. So I can see how the distance.
Huh?
The distance between us.
Oh, I don't know where you put it at.
I didn't have it. What was it? That.
Where's the doggone?
All right, so I'm making some progress. All right, we got the boards. Cutting the boards 45-degree angles anywhere from the top or the bottom of the border, and the other angles are tricky when they go on the other boards. So that I just have to play with it and measure. But we're making some progress. I have my wife as I cut the board. She's out there painting them, and then I'm gonna put them on the wall. So we're gonna nail our first painted board up. Come on, Ben. Here. Let me get some. This project's a little harder than I thought. All right, so if you don't have a circular saw, you probably need to get one, right? So I'm going to show you a circular saw. Get you a circular saw that has the angle. You can do your different angles and lines, and it has the laser on it. Because if not, you're gonna have trouble. Hey, but y'all get the picture, right? So basically, I'm just going in the garage, cutting, bringing it back out. 45 on the borders, and it's coming out to be 0 angle, so it's straight. On the other board, so should work. 45 and then 0. It's really easy right now. I think I had like a one weird angle because I guess the board was kind of bent, but other than that. And there you have it, guys. This is the finished accent wall. All right, leave your comments. So we ended up adding a metallic gold as an accent on there to go with our wall. So I'm not sure which way would be easier. We painted the boards, put them up there, then caulked, and then we had to repaint. I'm not sure if it will be easier to caulk all your boards first and then paint all at once. This project was a learning lesson. Let me know what you think. Which way do you think is easier?
SND gang, yeah. Hey, you all smoke with me?